TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes into the trading week. Let's check in on the markets as a positive week to start things off. Dow Jones up 210 points, trading 25,520. S&P's positive by 14 points, trading 2761, and the Nasdaq positive by 45 points, trading 7382. Quite a positive start to the week. We'll jump over to the VIX, and as this VIX continues as the market continues to rise, the VIX continuing to decline. 1632 on the VIX, reaching a low of 1619 this morning. Backing down into territory we haven't seen in a little while in the VIX. And let's just pull this up on a little bit of a longer term time frame. We'll put it on a daily even. And you can see we haven't been back down there since the beginning of February. February 2nd, February 5th, since we saw that deceleration in the market, and we're back into 16 territory. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. As we saw the opening bell, we were higher pre-market, and right at 9:30 we saw a pop as well, pulling back a little bit from the highs we had. Currently trading 2762 on the S&P 500. Nasdaq 100, pretty similar pattern, not as much of a pullback. Currently trading 6960 in the Nasdaq 100. Dow 30, also near the highs of the session, 25,505. Crude oil contract pulling back a bit. We're up almost $64 overnight and pulling back a bit, $63.21 currently on crude. Gold contract, a little bit of volatility overnight as well, traded up to $13.42, traded down to about $13.32.50 this morning as of about 9:40. From there, getting a little bit of a pop, up $3 from the lows only about 20 minutes ago, $13.35.55 on gold. And Bitcoin, volatility as well. Bitcoin trading higher this morning. Overnight, we were at about 9,400. From there, up about $840 over the 10,000 price point in Bitcoin, 10,243. Stay tuned, folks. I'll be coming back here at 10 o'clock with Mr. Basil Chapman. Then, of course, 11 o'clock, we have swim lessons. Basil will be back at 12. Then we have our man Steve Rhodes, Dave White. We got Larry Pesavento filling in at 3 o'clock. He's going to have a wonderful guest. And Basil Chapman closing it out after the closing bell live at 4 p.m. Tom O'Brien, he is at the Traders Expo in New York at the Marriott Marquis. If you are there, check it out. This update every day at 10 a.m. is brought to you by Everbank. For more information on their products, visit everbank.com/TFNN or give them a call at 855-750-4051. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.